Hey, this is Ryan from Web Eminence. iStock is one of the most popular stock photo sites, and while it is definitely not the cheapest, I've used it for my web design projects for years since they have the best selection in my opinion. iStock has what they call boards, which are selections of photos you can create for use on your different projects. In this video, I'm giving a quick overview of how to use boards to select your photos. One of the reasons I'm making this video is to share it with my clients, but I'm sure lots of other web designers, project managers, and their clients will find this useful as well. So starting with the basics, you can go to iStock.com, click on photos, or just type right in the search box and search for whatever keyword you're looking for, and you'll see usually a good selection of photos. There are some options on the left that you probably won't need to worry about, and then there is a view selection up here on the right, which is a masonry view, which you see here, and then more of a grid view, which shows more info for each photo. So I am currently logged in to my account, so since I'm logged in, I can simply click on this plus icon, or actually roll over it, and when I hover on it, it changes to save. I can save it to the current board, or I can create a new board by clicking the down arrow, click save to new board, and I'll just call this Steamboat, click save. Now I'm switched to the Steamboat board, and I can just click the plus on any of these images here, and it's going to save it to a new board, or the board I just saved called Steamboat. So I just clicked save on 4 or 5 images. If I go up to the top right corner where it says boards, I can click on Steamboat. Shows me my 6 images I saved, and I can click go to board. So this is an actual board view. Again, I can change the view to masonry. I can select all the items and download them if I'm logged in. And you don't need to be a paid member with a subscription to create boards. You can search on iStock and then just click join in the upper right hand corner, and you'll be able to create a free account, and that'll allow you to create boards and share them. So going back to the board I created with 6 photos, again, I can download them all. If I click share, I can share a link. This second link here will just allow people to read only, which means they can view the images I selected. So if you're one of my clients, you could send me and my team this link here, and we'll be able to do what we need to do with that. You can also invite collaborators, which is a similar link, but it actually gives logged in users the ability to edit the board, so they can add and delete photos from it. So if I was to visit that collaboration link as a signed in user, I can click the X button up in the top right of one of these images to delete it from the board. So me and my team, we collaborate with clients, or we use the collaborate link to allow them to delete images. So this is how you do it. You just click the X. And actually, if you receive a collaboration link, all you need to do is enter your name and email address and click join a board, and it's going to let you into that board, and you'll be able to click the X to remove items. And then if you want to add new photos to the board, you can click on photos and then just do a search, and then you should be able to just click the save and then confirm that it's being saved to the board that you're collaborating on. So if I click save on a few of these and then go back to the board, I should see those new items added. So that's how you add and delete photos from a board where you've received a collaboration link. If you're not able to do that on a board, it's probably because you received a read-only link. And going back to my board here, one other thing I'll mention is if you are logged in and able to collaborate on a board, you're able to add comments. So sometimes me and my team use this to allow our clients to comment on pictures. So for a web design project, they might use this to comment and say where a image might go on the website. And if you're looking at just a share link, or you're sending that to one of your clients or someone you're working with, here's what that looks like. You can download items if you're logged in. which I'm not on this page. And then you see when I scroll over them, I can't delete them. I can only view this board. With a free account, you can create as many boards as you want. You can scroll through them here and then share them and do everything that I mentioned in this video. So that's everything you need to know about boards on iStock. Make sure to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe. I am planning on doing a comparison video on some of the top stock photo sites in the future. Once that's live, I'll post it here. But yeah, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that in the future. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks.